In this video, I'll be showing you how to place a master window switch on a Toyota Corolla. This is located inside the driver's door. Let's get started. We're going to open our driver's side door and locate our master window switch and its trim panel. We're going to pry this up using a trim tool. So stick it in between and pry it up. On the bottom side, we're going to locate our connectors and their tabs. Push down on the tabs and slide them out. Inspect for any corrosion or damage and do the same for the bottom one. With those out of the way, we're going to locate these 3 Phillips head screws and remove them. Now slide the switch out of the switch panel. And there it is. To reinstall our switch, we're going to put it in place. Make sure the hole is aligned. And install your 3 Phillips head screws. Just snug these down. We're also going to reinstall our electrical connectors. Make sure the tabs are on top and slide them into place. Ensure you hear the click. Do the same for the bottom one. Now to install it on the vehicle. Align the tabs and push it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.